Hello, welcome to the 21st of December. Another day, another Vlogmas. Today, I don't have any specific plans. I've got to make some sausage rolls at some point. I'm just trying to get everything last bits finished off in terms of I found another present that I forgot to wrap last night. So I've got to wrap that, and what else have I got to do? Just like a couple of little bits and pieces. Tomorrow, both of my cousins are arriving for the big Christmas party, and then the rest of the family are coming, I think, Saturday evening. So we have, I don't even know what I was going to say then, we're running out of time now for the sort of preparations and everything. I want to make sure my room is like nice and tidy, and I might put my little Christmas tree up and sort of try and make it a little bit more Christmassy, although I don't know where Mum's put any of my Christmas decorations for the tree, so not much decorations. Probably going to happen without actually having I can't even think of what I'm saying, without actually having any decorations for the tree. But yeah, anyway, still I need to have a tidy and I need to wrap up the last couple of presents. And yes, I haven't opened my advent calendar yet, so I will do that now. Okay, so day number 21, anywhere. Oh, I see it. It is right here. I've actually just painted my nail, like the end of it. It like chipped, so I just painted it a little bit. Oh, I've had this before. This is it's a very strange texture. It's called moisturizing sorbet. It literally feels like a sorbet. There is nothing else I have ever used that feels like this, but it was very nice in the summer because it was very refreshing. So I think I'm going to keep that for a summer holiday moisturizer because it was very nice and very refreshing and very strange texture. If you ever see, I don't even know how you would get quarterly. They have like counters or something. Give it a feel because it feels very strange but very nice. Okay, wrapping is all done. Looks very extra sat like this. It makes my tree look very small. But yes. Anyway, I've just opened up my bed. Oh, I don't know how to show you this. I've got like I think it's called a divan bed. Maybe that's not the right word. I don't know. I've just opened it up and got my starlights out that I forgot. Well, I didn't forget where they were. I had a feeling they were under there, so I got them out. And I've got this like little pom-pom thing. I got this out as well. I'm going to try and find somewhere to put these, and I'm watching Tomorrow's World because I'm kind of obsessed with it. It is very entertaining, and Matt I think is on his way up, and I don't really know what we're going to do still, but I feel like I'm starting to get hungry. I'm having a little bit of my milk tray. Delicious. My favourite ones are the orange, the little presents, and oh, I've just eaten the last one, my other favourite, but oh no I haven't. I like these ones. And these ones. The ones I do not like, the salted caramel ones and the strawberry ones. I do not like those, but everything else I like. Why are we so yellow? It is later on now. Been doing some Christmas baking of the sausage rolls. Got Matt, Hannah, Tilly, and sausage rolls. Top row we've got the gluten-free ones, and then these are the normal ones. Jessie's here as well. Where is she?
Yeah.
Jessie.
Hi. Yeah, so everyone's here.
Who's your favourite?
Well, except for Mum and Dad. Who's your favourite? Me, obviously. I'm always the favourite. Yeah, right. So yeah, just waiting for them all to bake. I have the Just Roll GF pastry this time. I had the Asda one last time I made them and it wasn't that great. So we'll see if that one's any better. How much longer have we got? 7 minutes, everybody, 7 minutes. Well, the ones on top might cook quicker. Okay, it's later now. The sausage rolls worked out very well. What are you eating? Just taking Jessie for a quick walk around the block. I think she needs to go to the toilet, but she's like just being a bit strange. So yeah, doing that, I'm gonna have dinner. And then I'm going to have a night editing on my laptop. Jessie, good morning. Good morning. Oh wow, hello. Good morning and welcome to Friday the 21st. You got a sleepy puppy. We just had an amazing, we got up, we had breakfast, and then we just went back to bed and watched Zoella's vlog. She is loving life. I need to go have a shower actually. Oh, hello. Hello. You want me to brush me, little straw? She's actually like blonde. It's so cute. She's like a real strawberry blonde. And then obviously she's got her ginger bits, but she's like, she just loves life. She's so funny. Look at this. Anyway, let's open the advent calendar. Advent calendar? Shall we do it? Shall we do it? Do you reckon so? I reckon so. It's a little bit crowded here this morning, but I'm sure this will be fun. What did you just knock off? Why'd you look so suspicious? But yes, anyway, I'm sure we'll be able to find it. I bet it's behind my laptop. No? Where the hell is it? Is it the 21st? Is it 22nd? Oh my god, it's the 22nd. Do apologise. There we go. That makes it much simpler then. Down here. Only got 2 more days after this. This is all molten and... I'm so glad I opened this before I got in the shower. What is it? Molten and brown rhubarb and rose. I'm not sure I'm going to like that, actually. Having gone on about how I'm excited to have done that before going in the shower. Rose is not normally my favourite scent, and neither is rhubarb. Do you know what? I'm not even sure I'm going to be able to get this out of the advent calendar. It's so difficult to get out. This thing just keeps wanting to come off to the point where I might just open it and pull it out. But yeah, anyway, that looks lovely. Okay, so I managed to get it out, but I also just managed to get day 11 out, which I haven't been able to see yet. So this is Eve Lom cleansing cream. Might use this as well. Yeah, I think I'm going to use this and my new shower gel, which I really want to smell. How am I going to smell this? I don't want to spill it everywhere. Maybe not right now. I'll smell it in a minute. Anything else I can use? My tweezers. Can I get this out? I still have never been able to get this out either. I'm having such an issue with this advent calendar. What else is in here? I don't want a fake tan, so we're going to say no to that. This is a gel mask. Cucumber gel mask. Not right now. I do not have time for masks. I need to go into town and go to the bank still. I'm not having a very productive morning so far. That is like an anti-aging thing. Mum and Dad are having a chat on the stairs. It's brilliant. That's hair. Maybe I can use the CC cream. Who knows? Hand cream, mascara. Anyway, I'm going to stick to these 2 for now. So, let's go have a shower. Hello! First time vlogging in the car, I believe. Possibly. I'm not sure. I've done my makeup. I've got my favourite MUA, what is it called? The Luxe Velvet Matte Lipstick on. I think it's shade 7. It's my favourite. I've done like a bit more makeup today because I figured like my cousins are arriving. We're probably going to take some Instagrams, like, you know. And eyeshadow is all the Violet Voss Pro palette. Hannah and I are just popping into town to get some last minute bits and pieces. I think I'm going to go to New Look and see if I can get another little pretty outfit for Christmas. And yeah, my nails are slowly chipping, so I think I'm going to redo them later. But yeah, I need to drive. Mum is currently moving her car so I can get out. Come on, leave it alone. Hello, we are back from the Christmas shopping. Well, not Christmas shopping, the last minute shopping. Got everything we needed. Town's a bit awkward to vlog in because obviously it was really busy and I know a lot of people around, so I didn't do any vlogging. But yeah, we're just going to have some lunch I think in a minute, and everyone, I think Laura's not going to be here until sort of 5ish. What? Ah yes, so yeah, Laura's not going to be here until about 5 and Jack's going to be here. I don't know when he's going to be here. He was still packing last I heard, so yeah. Don't know what I'm going to do. I need to help tidy up the house a bit. I think Mum and I were listening to Little Mix downstairs, having a bit of a clean. I should probably put some more stuff away. I've still like not properly unpacked. Like I've got like bags of things around. But yeah, I need to go visit my nan and granddad actually and help my granddad wrap his last present. That's what I need to do. Probably going to do that this afternoon. So we've come out for a walk and we thought we'd let Tilly off the lead, and she's literally just rolling in the sand. What is that? That's not even a roll, that's just I'm lying in the sand. Oh, she spotted Jessie. Is Jessie on the beach? And she's digging a hole. Oh. The difference in our dogs. Good morning, welcome to the night before Christmas. So yesterday's vlog was a bit abrupt ending. I don't know what I last filmed, but basically my cousins arrived and we just like talked and had dinner, and then we went out to the pub with Matt and his family, so I didn't film any of it. I just sort of relaxed instead. So yeah, today I don't really know what we're going to do. We were going to go for a nice walk, but it's a bit miserable now, so I'm not sure if that's going to happen. But I think my nan and my auntie are on their way up to see them, and I need to go see Matt at some point. So let's open the advent calendar and we shall see. Okay, there really is not many days left now. Have I done all of them on that side? I think I have. Ooh! There is... Oh, this one's a long one, so that's tomorrow. This is today. Oh, can't see. Ugh. Oh my god, why are they so difficult to open? I'm gonna have to move this. Right, okay, we're lying down now. Ooh! What is this? It's an eyeliner. The pen eyeliner. How the hell am I gonna get this out? Oh my god, this is impossible to get out. But yeah, that's what it is. I'm going to try and get it out and then I'll show you. Okay, so this is, I don't know why it's not focusing. The pen eyeliner by 3 Inner. I don't know how you're supposed to say that name. Let's get the lid. Oh, it's just like a little felt one. That's quite nice. I actually don't think I have an eyeliner at the moment. I think I left my one at uni, so that would be nice. I don't normally get on with felt ones that well, but I'm trying to think where I can swatch it. I don't really have anywhere to swatch it. 1 second, I'll just swatch it. Okay, very flexible nib, but nice and pigmented, so you can do sort of a thick line or a much thinner line nice and easily. I think I like this one. Right, just come into town for hot chocolates with Laura, Jack and Hannah. Hannah's got a caramel latte. You're going for some extra milk, yeah. Anyway, I'm excited. Okay, so we've just had our hot chocolates and we've got battered pigs in blankets from our fish and chip shop. I'm very excited for these. Jack, go on, dig in. Okay, I can smell the bacon.
Oh, it does look good.
It does look good. I don't know which one I want. I've got napkins if anyone wants a napkin. What's the verdict? Is it yummy? Is it weird?
Yummy. It's yummy.
It's yummy, good.
It's alright.
Right, I'm going in for one. Oh my god, the tissue's going everywhere. Okay, so it's later on now. I think the last thing I filmed was the pigs in blankets. We came back, watched Harry Potter, and is it I think it's the Philosopher's Stone, the first one. I'm not a Harry Potter buff. My cousins and Hannah are, and I'm now just having myself a little cocktail. I'm editing Vlogmas. I'm having one of these. They're not very nice. So from M&S, I had to put like tonic water in it to make it drinkable. I think this one might be nicer. I'm not really sure. But Mum's making the mince pies. It's the night before Christmas. And yeah, starting to get excited. Look at all of these beautiful mince pies we've made. I slaved so long, so hard making these mince pies.
Yes, that's right, Tashi.
Yeah, I have been working so hard. I hand cut every single star and crimped the edge of every single base. But there you go, they are beautiful. And I will not eat any of them because I do not like them.